Hello, my name is Hernan Vargas. I am from Retorno Guaviare. I, I am studying psychology. I will teach you about the Retorno Guaviare. Information. The municipality of Retorno Guaviare I have lakes, forests and touristic cities such as Blue Whale, thermal springs, among others, can be shared with the family. Is located on or from San Jose Guaviare. I have a varied climate. Duration of the trip. The trips is scheduled for their days. 3 days. Where you can use the typical food of the region. Also enjoy the various touristy cities, enjoy the hot springs, see animals and variety of space. Means of transportation, motorcycles, bicycles, and cars. Activities to do, swimming and the hot springs, while through the meanders of lagoons, and on the touristy cities carry a blue whale to fishes. Classes to stay. You can stay at the Hotel Morisha, the Center Hotel. Typical foods, enjoy a delicious tamal or sancocho. Enjoy hot meat. Cost, the cost of Turkish packet costs 1,200,000. Thank you.